Welcome to episode service Learn Tips and Troubleshooting. In this video, I will show you how to disable a set of apps and speed up your time in just a few simple steps. Whether you are using a laptop or desktop, these quick tips will help your system load faster and learn smoother. Let's jump right into it. First of all, click search button and type startup apps. Now you can see startup apps page. It's actually work in two easy steps. First, you can go task manager and click startup apps, and you can disable right here to your startup apps, or you can choose easiest steps to get from setting. Then just search that search icon and click startup apps. You can see your startup apps, your laptop or desktop. Just disable this apps icon. Here we can see off Google Chrome and Logitech download assistance off, Microsoft 365 Copilot off, then so on. You can just off your startup apps. That makes your PC faster, your boot time faster. Here we can see your startup apps enable or disable. Now you can see all are disabled. Right there is still we are disable startup apps. It's unnecessary. Then close, and you can see all of our disable just there. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe us for more videos and tips.